3 and it is our second leg. We're racing from Rio de Janeiro down to Cape Town. The forecast at the moment is fairly light winds for the first few days, so we're probably looking at staying by the coast and picking up the sea breezes in the afternoon, and then heading south to get the right side of this low pressure system that's forming down there.
No room, Singapore, no room! Get out of it! Get out of it! Get out of it! I love this. Hold main. Get out of it, Singapore! Get out! Ben, get out of it!
12, 10, 9, 8.
No room, New York! No room, New York!
4, 3, 2, 1.
He's main! He's main!
1 minute.
Always, big ease, big ease, big ease, big ease.
Your watch is 4 seconds fast.
12, that was your 1.
Trim on, trim on! Trim, trim, trim! Trim on, trim on, trim on! No, hold Yankee, go main, go main! Go main, Pete!
Your watch is 4 seconds fast.
Right, take your sheet. Trim on, get that main in, guys! Come on, go!
Your watch is 4 seconds fast.
Pull. Hold trim, hold trim!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good start, guys, lovely!
Go, go, guys!
Come on, main, everyone on the high side! High side, everyone!
So we just had the race start, our third race in the Clipper Around the World Yacht Race. Bit of controversy, a few boats very, very tight sailing. Pretty amazing actually that they didn't take any other boats out. But here we are, we're heading up for our marker and off we go. Nice, so I'm here about 100 miles off the coast of Rio. It is the end of day 2 of which is gorgeous. We still have Singapore on the horizon ahead of us. Currently we are in last position according to the race positions with the distance to run. The reason for that being is that we are actually heading south more than east over to Cape Town so that we can pick up the winds, like the steady winds at about 20 knots that are heading east and the next latitude down there. Hi, so it's day 3 of race 3 and we were just had the spinnaker up and totally got overpowered by a wave, and we've just broken our spinnaker pole on the bow, and now I am soaking wet because I was on the leeward side trying to retrieve the guy, and our boom went in the water completely and it just buried the side of the boat in the water. So I got doused basically. Tonight we had a squall that gusted up to 50 knots of wind. So here's surfing waves in the South Atlantic. Had some pretty strong winds through the night with some squalls. We clocked 50 knots on one of them, regular 45s. It's pretty interesting, it's the first time I've helmed in over 40 knots of wind. And we've surfed a couple of waves at 17 knots. The full main and Yankee 2 up. Hi, so I'm just getting off watch. Pretty wild night tonight. We surfed a wave, well I surfed a wave, my personal best, at 18.4 with the Yankee 2 up and a reef in the main, and then we put a second reef in the main and surfed a wave at 18 knots, so that's pretty cool. We're averaging about 40 knots of wind at the moment, gusting 47, occasionally dropping back to about 35, so pretty strong conditions, and yeah, just surfing waves. South Atlantic squall! Hi, so the other night I had probably my toughest night yet. I was sent up the back of the mainsail to retrieve the batten that was half hanging out. Unfortunately, there was a fair bit of chop and I just got flung around endlessly, and the batten was like kind of at eye level, almost poking my eye out. So I've got some fairly good fiberglass splinters in my hand that time. I wasn't very happy about that because I just had nothing to hold on to and it's just getting flung one side of the main to the other and back again and just getting smashed. But anyway, got down from that. About an hour later I was trimming the Yankee and I was adjusting the car position on the leeward rail when the block on the car shot back and hit the pin that holds it in place at the back, and she hit the pin and shot the whole of the car to the back of the track, resulting in the sheet coming out and it hit me in the face. So I was facing the boat at 1 second and the next I was halfway over the rail, and I would have gone overboard if I wasn't tethered on with my safety line, which was very fortunate. So I got a good walloping in the face, enough to flip me halfway around and give me the shock of my life. I thought the car had come up and hit me and I thought I'd broken bones and oh, it hurt so bad. So anyway, all I suffered was some light swelling, but very, very rough night that night. Very rough. So we're just cruising along. We are 800 miles out from Cape Town and it's day 13 at sea. We've chopped our spinnaker pole in half today, so we can start repairs as soon as we get into Cape Town. And we're still in first place with a 60-mile lead. Yep, you guessed it, up the rig again. It's a beautiful sunny day in the South Atlantic. We're just following this nice little wind belt through, and we're 3 days from Cape Town. Woohoo! Just went out the sheet to get the guy down to repair it. Apparently it doesn't need it to be repaired, so it just went back out and put it back up. Land ahoy! Finally we're here. It's 8:30 in the morning. We've got Table Mountains in the background. We're 9 miles from the finish line. Still in first place. Finland is 70 miles behind us and DLL are about 10 miles behind them. The rest of the fleet is still a day away. Woohoo! Yay! It's frustrating at the moment. We're half a mile from the finish line and as you can see by the sea state, completely becalmed. Our spinnaker is just wrapping, going nowhere. In Cape Town, it's just there. And we still can't get there. Oh my God, what a race finish. We had totally becalmed for about an hour and then a southeasterly filled in and we were completely overpowered and it was emergency spinnaker drop, hoist the Yankee, hoist the staysail, and we had like 100 meters to go while we're trying to hank on the new sail just so that we could get forward momentum on the boat. Crossed the finish line and then our impeller busted, so we now have no engine. So we're bobbing around under mainsail while we change the impeller on the engine, and then we can finally go into Cape Town.